Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Jen, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Carlos. Thank you for joining us today. This podcast is made especially for you, international students, beginners, and anyone who wants to learn English in a simple and fun way.
Exactly. Here, you'll learn English by listening, repeating, and enjoying real conversations.
And don't worry, we keep everything easy, friendly, and clear. You can relax, have fun, and learn step by step.
So stay with us until the end. We promise you'll learn new words, new phrases, and feel more confident speaking English.
Get ready. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's learn English together. In this podcast, episode 3, topic is Christmas. We're going to teach you how to talk about Christmas in English, even if you're a beginner.
Yes, we will talk about traditions, food, decorations, family activities, and simple phrases you can use during Christmas time.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy learning English with us. Part 1. What is Christmas?
Let's start with the basics. Christmas is a holiday celebrated on December 25th. Many people celebrate with family, friends, food, gifts, and beautiful decorations.
Even if you don't celebrate Christmas for religious reasons, many people enjoy the traditions, the lights, and the warm feelings of the season.
Exactly. Christmas is often about sharing, kindness, happiness, and being together with people you love.
Here are some useful words. Christmas tree, the big tree with lights and ornaments. Lights, colorful decoration. Gifts, presents. Santa Claus, the man with a red suit. Family dinner, a meal with your family.
Great. Very simple and very useful vocabulary. Part 2. Jen talks about her Christmas.
Okay, Jen, tell us about your Christmas. What do you usually do?
Sure. For Christmas, I usually spend time with my family at home. We decorate the house with lights and put up a Christmas tree. On Christmas Eve, we eat a big dinner. We talk, laugh, and open some gifts. On Christmas morning, we open the rest of the presents. It's a warm and happy time.
Beautiful. Now let's explain some words. Put up, to place or set something, like a tree. Christmas Eve, the night before Christmas. Presents, another word for gifts. Warm, a feeling of happiness and comfort.
Yes, and warm time means a moment that feels cozy and nice.
Part 3. Carlos talks about his Christmas.
Carlos, now it's your turn. How is Christmas in Brazil?
Well, Christmas in Brazil is a little different because it's summer. My Christmas is very fun. I spend the day with my family and cousins. We have a lot of food: rice, turkey, salads, and desserts. We talk, play music, and sometimes dance. At midnight, we open presents and celebrate together.
That sounds amazing. Let's explain a few words. Cousins, children of your aunt or uncle. Desserts, sweet foods like cake or chocolate. Celebrate, to enjoy a special moment. Midnight, 12 o'clock at night. Part 4. Common Christmas decorations.
Now let's talk about decorations people use for Christmas.
Here are easy words. Tree, usually green with ornaments. Ornaments, small decorations on the tree. Star, usually on top of the tree. Lights, small colorful bulbs. Wreath, a round decoration for the door. Stockings, big socks hung on the wall.
You can say, we decorate the house, or we put lights outside, or we hang stockings above the fireplace.
Very good everyday English. Part 5. Christmas food.
Food is a big part of Christmas.
Yes, typical Christmas foods include turkey, ham, potatoes, salads, desserts, cookies, and hot chocolate.
Some people say, we have a big Christmas dinner, or we bake Christmas cookies.
Simple and useful English for beginners. Part 6. How to talk about Christmas plans.
Now, let's give our listeners phrases they can use to talk about Christmas.
Here are easy examples. I spend Christmas with my family. We open gifts in the morning. We cook dinner together. We watch Christmas movies. I visit my friends. I relax at home. I travel during Christmas.
Yes, these sentences are perfect for beginners.
Part 7. Mini dialogue. Listen and repeat. Let's practice a short Christmas conversation. What do you do for Christmas?
I spend Christmas with my family.
Do you open gifts?
Yes, we open gifts in the morning.
What do you eat?
We eat turkey, salad, and desserts.
Sounds delicious. Part 8. Vocabulary review. Christmas tree, decorated tree, gifts or presents, things you give to people, lights, colorful decorations, family dinner, big meal with your family, celebrate, enjoy a special moment, decorations, things you use to make your home beautiful.
Part 9. Practice questions. Now it's your turn. Try to answer these questions. Do you celebrate Christmas?
Who do you spend Christmas with?
What do you do on Christmas Eve?
What food do you eat?
Do you open gifts?
What decorations do you like?
You can write your answers, say them out loud, or practice with a friend.
Thank you for listening to episode 3 of the Learn English Channel podcast.
We hope this episode helps you talk about Christmas in English with confidence.
If you enjoyed this lesson, follow us and come back for the next episode.
See you next time, and keep learning English every day.
Subscribe to the channel. Bye!